dear kids, it's wonderful to see you all again. Today in this video I will tell you the story about a brave king. Chapter number 5, The King and the Spider. Chapter number 5, The King and the Spider. It's story time, kids. Story about a brave king. Kids, it's an interesting story. Listen it very carefully. Once upon a time, there was a king. He had fought many battles and won. He was a wise, brave, and kind ruler. Kids, yes, once there was a king. The king was very brave and he had fought many battles. Battles means fight, yes. He had fought many fights and he also won that battles. People were very happy in his kingdom. Kids, the king was very nice. He had never hurt anybody in his kingdom. So everybody was very happy in his kingdom. Once a neighboring king attacked his country. The king lost the battle. Kids, once a neighboring king. What is the meaning of neighboring? Neighboring means nearby. So, once a nearby king attacked his country. The king lost the battle. Yes, the king also lost the battle this time. Many of his soldiers were killed and others ran away to save their lives. The king himself had to hide in a cave. This time the king lost the battle. The king lost the battle as the other king, as the neighboring king was very strong. So this time many of his soldiers were killed and the king himself had to hide in a cave. As the king lost the battle, the king was very sad and worried. One day, he saw a spider going up the wall of his cave. It climbed a little but slipped and fell down. It tried again and fell down as the king was inside the cave. The king saw a spider. What was the spider doing? The spider was climbed up in the wall, but it failed. It fell down, but the spider didn't give up. He tried again and again, but he fell down. The king thought, this little spider is trying so hard, but will it succeed? Yes, inside the cave on the wall, the king saw that the spider is trying so many times as he fell down while climbing. But the spider didn't give up. So the king is thinking that this little spider is trying so hard, but will it succeed? The spider did not give up. It kept on trying and still kept falling. This happened many times. At last it succeeded. Yes, the little insect, the little spider did not give up. It kept on trying and still kept falling. But after so many attempts, the spider finally succeeds climbing the wall. The king said to himself, if this spider, a small creature, can succeed in climbing the wall by trying again and again, why can't I defeat my enemies too? Yes, by seeing the small creature, by seeing the little insect, by seeing the little spider, the king thought that I am a human being. If this small creature is trying so hard, why can't I? The king got his confidence back. He united his soldiers once again and attacked his enemies. Now the king, by seeing the spider, get confident. Now the king has united all his soldiers. He also motivates his soldiers to fight again. The battle continued for many days and he finally defeated his enemy. Yes, in the picture also you can see that the king is very happy. Why the king is very happy? As the king did not give up. The battle continued for many days, but in the end the king defeated all his enemies. The king won the battle. So kids, from this story, we had learned that try till you succeed. It means you should not give up. Be strong, never give up. Thank you kids for listening me. Bye bye. Take care.